Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. During 2020, we saw that the Nigerian Air Force went for JF-17 Thunder Block II fighter jets for their fleet, and the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex rolled out these fighter jets successfully. These fighters were delivered to the Makurdi Air Base in Nigeria in March 2021 via Pakistan Air Force Ilyushin IL-78 freighters. Looks like this time Pakistan has managed to sell the same fighter to one more country, and the country which I'm talking about here is Argentina. The exact variant of JF-17 which has won the deal is JF-17A Block 3 fighters. To be more precise, Argentina intends to purchase 12 JF-17A Block 3 fighters from Pakistan, and it looks like Argentina selected this fighter over the Russian MiG-35 in its next generation multi-role fighter competition. As per the defense sources, these 12 JF-17 Block 3 fighter deals are said to be around 664 million US dollars approximately, and it includes 10 single-seat JF-17A and 2 dual-seat JF-17B fighters. The JF-17 Thunder is a single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft developed jointly by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation of China. The builders say that JF-17 can be used for multiple roles, including interception, ground attack, anti-ship, and aerial reconnaissance. 58% of the JF-17 airframe, including its front fuselage, wings, and vertical stabilizer, is produced in Pakistan, whereas 42% is produced in China, with the final assembly taking place in Pakistan. The Argentine Air Force has selected Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder, rejecting offers from Russia, the United States of America, and India. The main reason behind going for Pakistan's fighter jet is because both Pakistan and Argentina have very close cooperation in various fields on international issues. Both Pakistan and Argentina have had friendly relations for a while, and Argentina has been part of the consensus in favor of the resolution put forward by Pakistan on the right to self-determination at the General Assembly of United Nations. The relationship between Argentina and Pakistan has recently grown, with important trade ties developing along with the other intergovernmental communications. Argentina's ambassador to Pakistan has stated that the two governments are involved in exploring new areas in which they can increase the cooperation. So, seeing such news between Argentina and Pakistan would obviously make Argentina choose the JF-17 fighter jets and not the other countries' fighters. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.